Exercise number 1, push up to side plank. Drop into a solid push-up, then rotate your body and reach one arm to the sky. Alternate sides each rep, keep your core tight and your movement smooth. Great for chest, shoulders, and stability. Exercise number 2, tricep dips floor. Place your hands behind you, lift your hips, and bend your elbows to lower your body. Push back up by squeezing your triceps. Keep your chest lifted and elbows pointing straight back. Exercise number 3, push-ups. Hands shoulder width apart, body straight, and lower your chest to the floor. Push up strong and steady. Keep your core tight, this builds pure upper body strength. Exercise number 4, wide grip push-ups. Spread your hands wider than usual, lower down slowly, and press up with power. This variation targets your outer chest and shoulders. Stay controlled and strong. Exercise number 5, shoulder tap. Hold a strong plank and tap your opposite shoulder without letting your hips sway. Keep your core braced, move slow and controlled. Great for stability, balance, and core strength.